And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight, I'm so happy you're here again, taking a pause, holding your coffee, and opening your heart for another beautiful story of faith and life. So our topic tonight is something very close to my heart, Psalm 23 verses 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So such a short verse, pero sobrang lalim. Because it reminds us, when God is our shepherd, we will never lack what truly matters. Naranasan ko na ito noong 2024. Parang hindi ko alam saan ako patungo. I plan to go to UK for a month to visit my mom and Lolo Ian. And then I plan to go to Canada to find work. God is great. Both visas were approved, pero iba pala ang plano ni Lord. I stayed in UK for months, hindi lang July, August, September, August, hindi lang 1 month. So I stayed there for months and nakasama ko na matagal yung mother ko and si Lolo Ian with the addition of the 4 doggies, and I met new friends in Wales and I learned a lot from them. Then my desire to work in Canada, to find work in Canada was changed. Ni-cancel ko ang flight ko to Canada. Then that was also the time that I started my online business. At first, ang dami kong doubts, ang daming what ifs. But then this verse, the Lord is my shepherd, became my anchor. I realized, hindi lang pala kailangang maramdaman na laging in control. Kasi He is. Thank you for watching and the like, Mansing Patwal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, just like a shepherd who knows where to lead the sheep, even when the sheep doesn't understand the path. So in business and in life, we go through seasons. Minsan may sales, minsan tahimik, minsan full of energy, minsan gusto mo na lang humiga, 'di ba? So, but through it all, I've seen how God provides. Not always in the way I expect, but always in the way I need. So there were days na akala ko, Lord, paano na? Then suddenly, blessings will come just at the right time. So that's how God works. When you trust Him as your shepherd, He doesn't promise an easy path, but He promises guidance, provision, and peace. So I've learned that being guided by God doesn't mean you'll always understand His timing. It means you will never walk alone. So in my business, I see it every day. How He connects me with the amazing people in the community. Those people I need to meet. He opened doors I didn't even knock on. And He also closes doors that will lead me astray. And maybe tonight, if you need this reminder, you don't have to figure out everything right now. You just have to take the next step with faith that your shepherd is already walking ahead of you. So whenever you feel lost or when your business feels slow, remember this verse. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So He will provide what you need: peace, strength, wisdom, and even the right people to walk with you. So you are not behind, you are being led. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.